Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Kirtika, District Canada Designate from Rotar District 3201. Now I tell about one important soft skill for our life, that is goal setting. Now I tell you a secret formula for goal setting. The formula is STAR. Here S means specific. Your goal should clear and specific. Next one is T. T means time bound. Your goal should have a deadline and you should complete your goal within a time. Third one is A. A means achievable. Your goal should achievable and realistic. Fourth one is R. R means relevant. Your goal should align your values and long-term objectives. The formula for goal setting is STAR. Specific, time-bound, achievable, relevant. You should use this formula STAR, achieve your goal, satisfy your soul, and you will become a star of your life. Thank you.